Ya ka Jingtei Jong ka Iing Thymmai belapin he shushu Jong ka Iing Bishar ka Meghalaya High Court lapli do menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad ke sangma haka jeng don lang u Chief Justice Usanjib Banerjee bat ki we ki he nong Bishar ka Iing kasari. Habakran haka jeng lang u konrad ke sangma u lapin tip ba ka sarkar ka lapin lut hadu ars pa klur tingka hakini ki sansnem na kabenta ki kam kasari. But ya kan ni la le ling ba ka plan jong ka sarkar ba ula pentik na ba ka sarkar kan yai piteng ban ai ya ka jingkershan ya ka kasari. Hakawai pat kalyang u Chief Justice Usanjib Banerjee ula kren chapang ki shibon teli ki sen jam trekam balashim da ka Iing Bishar kum ka jingla ban le ka live streaming ya ki jing Bishar khnang bakan wan ra ka jing khu jing suba. I menteri ka tanat ki kam an I kong ampri ling do ru ilai don lang ha ka te ka jingelang.
The kind of passion with which he has worked, the kind of commitment that he has shown to the issues that he has taken up, have today started seeing results. And today, this particular building, or the annexure building that we are seeing inaugurated, or whether it's the National Law University, he has been a major driving force to ensure that we reach the logical conclusion. The Meghalaya High Court is probably the first High Court in the country, not only to boast of the hybrid and the physical mode of appearance simultaneously, the live streaming of its proceedings in all courts, but to be connected for all.